Okay, so what we're doing today is we're going to be running electrical from mounting some boxes here and running it from here up to this booth up here for a football team. So what we've done so far that you didn't see was we took this auger here, we dug down probably about 2 feet, and then after we got done with it, we put the dirt back in the hole. And then what I do is I always use like a tamper. I use the other half of it, and what you want to do is you want to tamp the wood to get the wood good and tight. Look how solid this thing is. Has no movement at all. And then over time it'll solidify with the weather and everything. So now we're locating the hole and we're getting ready to drill out through this block wall here. As you can see with this pretty big 1-inch drill bit made just for drilling through block. It's gonna get noisy. And that's where we came out the wall. I'm going to conduit down the wall, run it over that direction, and then out to the field. So at this point, what we're doing is we're wiring for the receptacles that are going to go outside. So we have to tie into the boxes you can see up here and run this plastic conduit down and out through our hole, as you can see there in the corner. And one thing, if you're doing the inside, you don't necessarily have to glue it or Loctite it, but once you get outside, you definitely want to. At this point, we're drilling holes so we can mount this conduit to the wall here, so bear with me. Also have it on hammer drill. So here what we did is we took our spools of wire that we're running into the conduit, and then we're feeding it through all the way down. I'll show you over here. See it coming out right there. And it runs all the way down. Now we're trying to stretch it out to see how much we need to get it out there to the field. So it's basically going down, over, and then out to the field. So hopefully we have enough to get it done.